what's up? Welcome to Astro Q&A, sponsored by Fefe. When you want a pillow that looks like a dog, because your landlord won't let you have a dog, get a Fefe. It's like a faceless dog. Okay. Here are some questions for my amazing girlfriend who happens to be a Virgo. So, this is just a single Virgo representation, but I think it's a good one. Okay, are you ready? This is Lindsay. Did I introduce your name?
I don't remember.
I don't know.
I also don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
I hope you don't ask me anything too weird.
Yeah. These are just yes or no questions.
Okay.
Okay. Are you messy?
No.
Am I messy?
Yes.
It's true. Does my adorableness offset any of my messy tendencies?
Yes.
Okay.
It helps.
Like a hamster trying to eat like a donut.
Yeah,
and
you
it crumbs
can't
every-
help
yeah,
but make
it's
it
just-
think it's cute.
Yeah, exactly. Did you invent the phrase, put it in your juice box and suck it?
It's put it in your juice box and suck on it.
Suck on it.
Yes, I did.
If a Virgo was in a horror movie, would they survive?
Yes.
I think that's the right answer. How about Pisces?
No.
No. No deliberation on that one. The first one dead, Pisces? Start watching Harry Potter in the middle of like a serial killer mass rampage.
That's probably what would happen.
Probably. Speaking of, do you like Harry Potter?
No.
Game of Thrones?
Nope.
Star Wars?
No.
Documentaries?
Yes. I'm all about the documentaries.
Do Virgos have a tendency to use the phrase shit show to describe a less than perfectly planned effort?
Yes, all the time.
They love that phrase. You know, Virgo, shit show is like their go-to for describing anything less than ideal.
I'm crying.
Okay. Have you ever snapped a broom in half by aggressively sweeping?
Yes.
All right. Time for a random math test.
Okay.
Yes? Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, it's not a traditional yes or no.
You wanted to see if I was excited?
That's like, yeah,
I
yes,
was
being
excited.
excited. Yeah, okay. Time for a quiz on 14th century French nomenclature.
Sure.
Okay. Do you trust people whose last names could be a first name?
No.
No?
Never.
So like a Nick John, not gonna trust?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Gemini wants to randomly pilot a rocket ship. Is that cool?
No.
Are you surprised that I'm having trouble reading my own handwriting?
No.
Neither am I. Do all Virgos have a black belt and side-eye?
Yes.
Cool. When dudes say, "Let's go!" you're like, yes or no?
No.
That is the end of the questioning. Thank you, Lindsay, for giving some Virgo insight.
That was a dramatic page turn.
Yeah, there's nothing on this page. I thought there might be like a good finale question. Nope.
No.
Just us and our faceless dog, Fefe.
He's so cute.
All right.